All right, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on that long setup, which obviously did not work out with Bitcoin breaking down, but I have two interesting altcoins that I'm watching today. All right, welcome, guys. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Remember to hit the bell notification button so that you will get notified next time I'm uploading a video like this one. And if you like these short videos where I give you actionable setups on Bitcoin and altcoins, and sometimes also in the legacy markets, hit that like and comment in the comment section below if you like it or if you don't like it. And if you have anything specific you want me to cover, let me know. All right, so let's first take a look at Bitcoin right here, and I'm gonna update you guys on the on the long setup we had. I never posted a setup on this. I actually did post a short on S&P 500 in the bird nest earlier today, and we have now moved entries to stop loss to entries on this one and letting that trade run. So if you're interested in joining a community where you're not only going to learn about trading but also get actionable setups in the crypto market and in the legacy markets, you go to thebirdnest.com/free trial and join for 7 days completely free, no credit card required. You can cancel at any time. All right, so Bitcoin right here, this is the long setup we looked at on Bitcoin, and obviously coming down to hit the 0.618 right here. We never really confirmed any bullish reaction to that level, so there was never a long on this one. So we can just remove the drawings for that setup and all the TPs, and we can now look from a clean perspective, like what is the next level of importance. Well, first of all, the fact that Bitcoin is now trading below the daily 50 and the daily 20 EMA makes me not wanting to go long on this, right? But if we do come down and test this area right here, that's the wrong one. Should be this area right here. If we could do come down and test this area as support, or any area slightly above, but around the somewhere between 40 and 39k, if we hit that level, I do think that there's a high chance that we are going to get a bounce. Now, of course, I don't know if we're going to get continuation of the bull trend, right? But I do anticipate some type of bounce down here for potential move up to the 42k region. If that happens, I have two interesting altcoins that I'm watching, and that is, which one is it? It's AVAX and MANA, right? So this is the first potential long setup on AVAX, which I do think might play out if Bitcoin bounces somewhere down in this area. What AVAX needs to do is it should not go lower than a weekly open, right? So I would like to see a bullish reaction on AVAX somewhere between $85 and 78, right? A bullish reaction in that area, and I would then go long once it reclaims the daily 50 and 20 EMA, and it will look like this, right? And what I'm looking for is a retrace down to the 0.618 area, or the area between the weekly open and the 0.618, with a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing. 4-hour stochastics is already below 30. What would be nice to have here is a 4-hour stochastics RSI bull cross and a rounded bottom. I would then be trading this with TP1 at around 98, TP2 at 103, and TP3 at around 112. So that would be 25%, 25%, and 50, and the average R of this trade would be somewhere around 3.5. So that's AVAX. That's the first one. Let's look at MANA, which is the second one. All of these long setups will, of course, be posted within the Bird Nest community, so remember to check that out if you're not in already. On MANA, we are watching something very similar. We want to see a retrace down to the 0.618, confluent with the daily 20 and 50 EMA right here. 4-hour stochastics already below 30. I would like to see some type of rounded bottom here and a bull cross on a 4-hour stochastics RSI, while giving us a 4-hour bullish engulfing somewhere in this area. It's crucial that the 4-hour bullish engulfing isn't just a small candle down here. It needs to be a massive candle that closes above the daily moving averages again, and I would then go long with TP1 at 3.4, TP2 at at 3.56 and TP3 at 3.8, the average R of this trade would be somewhere around 3.5. Same for AVAX. What I will be doing is I will be taking both of these setups if they confirm with half a risk each. So I'm in with 1% risk on both of these combined, and I will then make around 3.5% of my portfolio if these trades work out. That might not sound a lot to you, but if you know what risk management is all about, you know that it's about risking small and winning much bigger, letting your winners run, and with time you're going to see that equity curve slowly start running upwards. It's all about it's trading is all about, taking small losses and waiting for those bigger winners, and with time you're going to be profitable by doing this. You risk small. Number one is to not lose money. The number one goal here is to preserve capital as a trader, and this is a very, very risky environment we're trading in right now. So please be careful. Do not use long anything without a plan. Is be very careful. The current situation with Russia and Ukraine is making the risk profile shifting from risk on to risk off in a matter of hours. The market is extremely choppy, so make sure you manage your risk well. All right, guys, that's it for me. Take care and see you guys in the next one.